Hello guys, welcome to my video. Okay, so in this video I will give you a tutorial on how to practice English skill from the environment around us. So, these are some of the things I do every day so that I can become more fluent in English, and these are things I apply to my life. And within 2 to 3 weeks, by implementing this, I feel my level English increased a lot. First, I watch videos that I really like Western film that not have subtitle. So because I watch them consistently, I try my listener to get used to how these native English speakers speak every day. But I don't have to show or just series. It can all be videos related to our hobbies. For myself, because of my hobby is cooking, then I watch cooking videos in English. And the second is to always record new vocab or phrases. For example, from the cooking tutorial video that I watched earlier, I like to write down the new vocab there as well as the vocab which is in my favorite series. And the last things I do every day, often every day, is talk to yourself. Maybe this will sound strange to all of you because it's not normal to talk alone. But I like to imagine myself in situation where I'm telling with my friend about what I'm do today or things that I watch on the show, and I always try to say it in English. With that also, I often form dialogue in English as well in my head. Okay guys, those are simple things that make me happy when learning English, but all of that will be easier to stick with if we are consistent in doing everything.